What's up, beautiful ladies? It's your girl Kate, and today we are installing this beautiful glueless V-part wig from UNice. It is a 24-inch curly unit. I absolutely love the curls. This is straight out of the box. But today I'm going to show you how to actually install it without using any leave out. So you can leave your hair out with it, but today I'm going to show you how to basically install this and have it looking super natural without leaving out any of your hair. As you can see, my braids is kind of old, honey. So you don't want that part to be right on top of the braid. You want to be on the edge of the braid so that you have somewhere where you could actually pull the hair over and still keep your part if that's what you wanted to do. So this is how I'm going to install it. I'm going to use a crochet needle. So you want to take a small amount of hair, open up your crochet needle, put the hair through it, close the crochet hook, and then pull it right on through. So basically you're going to pull the hair under the braid, just like that. And then you're going to pull the hair from the wig through the crochet hook, just a small piece. Close the crochet hook and pull it through. Guys, this is my first time doing this, and I'm sure if you're watching this video, this is your first time too. So just take time and do small pieces. So you see I had to take it out because that piece was way too big. So again, I'm just taking it, going through my hair under the braid, putting a small piece of hair through the crochet needle, closing the crochet hook, and pulling it through. So you're just going to continue to do that all the way through your entire parting space. And that is what is actually going to give you that seamless look. Y'all, my shoulders was hurting. I had to take a little break. But yeah, so basically you're going to keep doing that. Keep opening your hook, pulling it through your under your braid, taking that little piece of hair, closing the hook, just like that, and pull it all the way through. And that's all. The smaller the pieces, the more realistic it's going to look. So if you could take like an hour and just like really go in with the crocheting and really like take your time. I was trying to do this fast because I had somewhere to go. But if I had more time, it would look more seamless. But as you can already see, you can't see anything. The tracks are covered. My part is defined. And yeah, it's beautiful. I took this baby hair brush and I just kind of, you know, made it a little bit more messy. This is it combed out. It's super big, super full, super fluffy. And then I went and wet it. Gorgeous. Then I decided to cut some layers because I already have a long V-part wig. So I was like, let's try out something different with this one and give the girl a little bit of a layer. I loved it, and then I decided to cut it a little bit shorter. But this is how it looks, just layer in the front. Absolutely beautiful. Now I'm going to show you how I just, you know, made it more of a boxy cut, and I cut a little bit more on the ends. But I love the curls. The curls defined beautifully, and I only used water and a little bit of oil. Don't be putting all that stuff in your hair, child. You just need a little bit of oil, child, and a little bit of water. And now I'm just going in with the layers because I just wanted it a little bit shorter. But honestly, the actual end result with it being long, I loved it more before. But I just really wanted to do a little bit of a layered look so that when it dry, it would look like pretty and fluffy and just not just straight down. So that's it, ladies. I'm just fluffing it out to give us a little bit more volume because it's still a little bit damp. But as you can see, like, it's already getting big, and that's exactly what I wanted. And that's why I cut the layers in it. Absolutely gorgeous. The curls defined so beautifully. And like I said, you only need water and oil to bring these beautiful curls out. Make sure to shop this wig from UNicehair. The description and the link will be below. See you next time.